Want to cut your car insurance bill without cutting coverage? Here's how to unlock hidden discounts most drivers miss. Let's start with the big savers. Bundling your home and auto? That could save you up to 40%. Drive a hybrid or electric vehicle? That's another easy win. And if your car has anti-theft features, you might knock off up to 23%. Being a safe driver can pay off. Defensive driving courses, good driver records, and usage-based programs like Smart Ride could cut your rate by as much as 40%. Teens and seniors? You can qualify too with driver training or education discounts. Got a student on your policy? Good grades mean savings. And if they're living more than 100 miles away at school without a car, you could save even more. Low-mileage drivers, like remote workers, can also qualify for serious discounts. Here's where it gets interesting. You might get a discount just for owning your home, even if it's insured elsewhere, or for paying your premium in full. Some jobs, like teachers or first responders, also unlock lower rates. Have a new car? That counts. So do loyalty discounts, storage discounts, and even certain safety features like daytime running lights or passive restraints. Some of these discounts apply automatically, but most? You've got to ask. Call your agent, share proof, and make sure you're getting every discount you deserve. Ready to find out what you qualify for? Click the link in the description box below for free car insurance quotes and let the savings begin.